In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete Gmail and Google accounts. Before you begin, please understand what this means. Deleting your entire Google account is permanent. It removes your Gmail messages and address, and it also wipes out data tied to that same account identity, like files, photos, and activity across Google services. If you need anything later, take time now to confirm you are ready, because this action is meant to be final. Start by signing into your Google account in a web browser. The easiest way is to go to the Google Account Management page. Make sure you are signed into the correct account, especially if you use more than one. If you see a profile icon in the top corner, that is a good place to double-check you are on the right one. Once you are in your account settings, look to the menu on the left side of the page and select Data and Privacy. This section contains the controls for how your data is handled, and it is also where Google places the account deletion option. Now scroll down the page until you reach a section labeled More Options. This area is closer to the bottom, so keep scrolling steadily until you see it. Under More Options, find and select Delete your Google account. When you click it, Google may prompt you to confirm your identity by signing in again. If that happens, enter your password and complete any verification steps that appear. Then continue back to the deletion page. You will now see an important disclosure screen. Take a moment to read it carefully. It lists what data will be lost and which services will stop working. This is your final chance to pause and confirm that deleting the account is truly what you want, since it affects far more than just Gmail. When you are ready to proceed, scroll to the bottom of that page and check both acknowledgement boxes. These boxes confirm that you understand the consequences and accept responsibility for any lost access. Finally, click Delete Account to complete the process. After you submit, Google will begin closing the account, and you may be signed out automatically. That covers everything you need to know.